Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be installing some car door LED logo projector lights. These bad guys right here. I got these off of Amazon. It's a pack of 2. And let's just dive into it really quick. Looks extremely well made. So I got these because they were plug and play. They had the longest lifespan that I could find, and obviously getting them off of Amazon just made it that much easier. The lifespan on these are 30,000 hours, and they're made out of pretty good material. The ABS and obviously the glass lens. They're waterproof too, and that was like a big thing for me. I didn't want to just install them and then, you know, them get shorted out in the rain or whatnot. And I mean, from the looks of it, they look pretty easy to install, so let's just get into that. I'm gonna run downstairs and pop these bad boys in. Alright guys, so popped open the door here. Here's the original one. Pops out like that. Push a button right here. Pull it out. This is the old one. Now I'm going to replace it with the new LED Chrysler logo. Pop that in. And it's that easy. And there it is. I'm going to go ahead and install the other side now. Alright guys, we're on the other side now. Same steps, just pull it out. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. And that's it. One of the most easiest things I've ever installed on the Chrysler 300. And I'm gonna come back later on tonight to show you guys how the LED projectors work. Hey guys, the sun just set. It's kind of windy out right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me clearly. I'm gonna open up the door really quick to show you guys how the logo looks on the floor. And here we are. The logo looks really good. I'm actually really digging it. I'm gonna come back a little bit later when it's really dark out so we could check it out. Alright guys, so it's the middle of the night. I just came out here to check on the car door LED projector lights, and it looks sweet. It looks really good. I'm actually quite impressed. Well, if you guys want this product, you guys can find it in the description below. It'll be in my Amazon store under Chrysler LED light. This is how I'm gonna have to end my video, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Till next time.